Better students, this is Mr. Hisgen from Campus Ministry with a quick tutorial on how to find service that is close to where you live. Okay, so here is our home page. From the home page, go to Faith Life, go to Service Learning. You can get here in a couple different ways. Then, if you scroll down, there's a thing right here. It says VSL Map, Viatorian Service Learning Map. Now if I click on that map, what I'm going to get is, give me 1 second to scroll down, I'm going to get a map of basically a Google map. And on that map, there are going to be points, little lions all over the place. So let me show you real quick the difference between a lion and the chalice with the Blessed Sacrament. Anytime you see a red lion on the map, that is a service site that we have some kind of relationship with. For example, Brentwood North Rehabilitation Center. If I click on there, I know that the contact person's name is here, the web page is here, and if that is close to my house, I can get in touch with that organization and find out when I can do some service. Same thing goes for all of these different locations. There are schools, there are food pantries, there are so many different organizations that we can connect with. Now, there are also these little signs here, St. Joseph the Worker, over here is St. Thomas of Villanova, over down here is St. James, Our Lady of the Wayside, and as you can tell, St. Emily is here, etc. You could go around the whole Chicago suburbs noticing this. Those are parishes. You can do your service at those parishes. So if you click on those, you will find usually the name of the religious ed person or the youth minister. And that's another way to get involved. Or it could also be the liturgist if the student wants to get involved as an extraordinary Eucharistic minister, as an altar server, etc. So those are different ways for you to find service, to find agencies in your neighborhood. And we do go from Woodstock to Lake Michigan all the way down to Lombard. So there's just a lot of different opportunities, and we are always looking for more. If you have questions, please stop in Campus Ministry. We are happy to help. Thank you.